In this video, I will show you how to get 120 frames per second on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we want to make sure that our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to our home page, press the PS button and we go home. We end this game and go to the home page. Then from here we go to settings. In settings, we're going to go to saved data and game app settings. Now here we're going to go to game presets and we're going to change performance mode to resolution mode here. And we go back, we're going to go to screen and video. On the video output, we're going to go to 120 HZ output, ensure that's on automatic, and then ALLM, we ensure that's also on automatic. And now we can enjoy our smooth 120 FPS on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!